Channel proteins. In the following, we will explain to you the importance of channel proteins, which are proteins used in passive transport. As you all might know, the cells in our body need to absorb certain substances in order to work and help the human body to function properly. This process happens through the phospholipid bilayer of a cell membrane via transport of these substances. This can either happen through passive or active transport. However, for now we want to show you a type of passive transport known as facilitated diffusion. This type of transport targets larger and polar molecules, moreover helping them to pass through the phospholipid bilayer of a cell membrane, which they otherwise could not do by themselves.
The phospholipid bilayer of a molecule is a complex structure made up of many components, namely proteins. Some proteins are transport proteins, just like in our case the channel protein. Channel proteins help molecules that cannot easily pass through the phospholipid bilayer due to big size or polarity to enter the cell. For instance, oxygen is a small, non-polar molecule and therefore is able to pass through the phospholipid bilayer easily. Sugar, however, is larger and polar compared to the oxygen molecules, which is why it can't pass through the phospholipid bilayer as easily. It is in need of help, and it gets this help from the channel protein. This protein acts, just like the name suggests, as a channel, through which larger and polar molecules can pass through and thus enter the cell easily.